Not per se. I'm just trying to play good chess. Okay. That probably wasn't very smart by me, but whatever. I'll just take. I'm probably gonna sack again. Yeah, let's just sack. It's bullet. Why not? Let's go for it. Let's go for the big attack. That was a bad move, actually. But it's still very hard because I have rook h3, rook g3 too. Like, I'm basically playing here on the idea that it's very hard for him to defend. Oh, what was that? Oh my god, now I just threw the game. So bad. He's trying to see. Okay. There we go. Next game. Let's keep going up to